We wanted to create a series of Vox Pop sessions, essentially videos that celebrate the success and the challenges that come with learning. Whether it's reading or maths, life skills or technology, we want to share the passion, the ideas, those moments that have been created out of nothing that come about because of who you are and what you do. So, welcome to our first video in the series as we take a look inside Caboolture L&L and the work they are doing with 3D printing.
So tell us a little bit about 3D printing, what you're doing here.
We are looking at things that customers are interested in and bringing them to life for them. Last year we did Christmas activities, so we made a sleigh with the reindeers, we did a Christmas tree, we did a few other ones that just didn't work. So this year is a whole new year and new range of things. Like, I didn't know 3D printers, so for me to learn it and learning with the customers has been a challenge in its own. End of last year, it wasn't printing and I was calibrating, and this is just too technical for the customers to do because it was doing my own head. I did it so many times, I've got filament stuck on our platform, but it works and I managed to get it back to working, so it's all good for this year.
Okay.
Yeah. For me to learn, and our guys, we YouTubed a lot of everything, watching videos through the computer, learning, and then just putting what we're learning through to the 3D printer and either making mistakes or going for gold.
So, because I think you used this word when we were speaking last time about integration.
Yeah.
So how does that work? You create a chocolate mold for Easter, what is that?
Goes into the baking program.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so by doing the cookie cutters, we use it in the baking program, and I'm also running a baking program, so this will work really, really well because I know what we're creating can lead on, and then the customers can take it home. We have the gardening group, so having a 3D vase and cutting flowers and putting the flowers into the vase. So that's another way of integrating into the other programs.
Do you find you're kind of a bit of a support for all different types of learning areas, I guess?
Yeah.
So it's not just 3D printing, it's the resizing, which is maths.
And English and reading,
Sure.
It's across the board, so, and even the technology side.
So have you got a program in mind that you want to do?
I do. So I've seen my program list today and it's going to be exciting. So we've got Easter coming up, we have Mother's Day coming up, we have birthdays, anything and everything that we can think of printing, we're going to print it.
Okay.
I've asked for the program back this year and Melissa gave it to me, so
Right.
it's great.
It's onwards and upwards.
Yeah.
Okay, so